Okay guys, so welcome to this tutorial. Now we're just going to see what are assignment and unary operators. So we saw comparison operators, if I'm not wrong, in the last video. Now we have to see what are assignment operators. So the assignment name itself obviously suggests that it is used to assign something. So suppose x is the identifier or variable and I'm assigning the value of 5 to it. So when I write this equal to sign, this equal to is nothing but an operator, assignment operator. So when I write x equals to 5 and when I print x, what it did is it assigned the value 5 to the variable x or the identifier and it printed out 5. So this equal to sign is nothing but the assignment operator. So this is one kind of assignment operator. One more kind of assignment operator is when I write x equals to x plus 5. So actually the original operator is x plus equals to 5. But to explain to you, I'm just going to write it x equals to x plus 5. So when I write this, see, this is a new variable x now, and in the value of this new x equals to the old x plus 5. So the old x was 5, so the value of this 5 gets stored here, and then it adds 5 to it. And 5 plus 5 is integer, no string and all, so it just adds 5 plus 5, that is 10. So the value of this new x will be the old x, the value of old x plus 5, that is 5 plus 5, so 10. So when I print out x now, it will print out the value 10. But see, if I write print in between, that if I write print x over here and I run this code, so it will print out 5 first, because first of all x was 5, it printed out 5, then I change the value of x to old x plus 5, so it changed the value to 10 and it printed out 10, that's it. And see, one more way, or the actual Python way to write this statement is x plus equals to 5. What this statement actually means is what I wrote before. So it just means x equals to x plus 5. So I'll just run this program now and see 10. It works. There's no problem in it. And one more way to write it is not one more way actually. Other operator is x minus equals to 5. So what does it mean is it actually just means x equals to x minus 5. So it will just print out x equals to 5 minus 5. That is old x was 5. That's why 5 minus 5 is 0. Again x, here multiplication sign asterisk. So when I run this code again, it will just print out 25, that is 5 into 5, and the same thing goes for division. So when I divide it, and there are many such operators now, x plus equals to, and obviously division is a float value, so we got a float value. So to see more of the operators, see these many are the other operators. So x instead of x there they have just told a. So these all we saw. Just this thing is modulo. You know what is modulo operator. So this is exponential. So it just becomes a equals to a raised to 5. So that's what it means actually. You can see it to yourself. This is the floor function. Okay, these all are fine. And after that, see, so these all are the assignment operators. Now we want to see what are the unary operators. Unary, see, binary means 2, unary means 1. So it just has one value. So basically unary operators are, I'll just write them in comments. They are unary plus, then unary minus, and again unary. This thing over here, this sign is component actually. See, this sign is below the escape key or to the left side of the number 1. So there you will find this thing over there. And to see them, you can just see. So if I write x equals to 5 again, and I just have to use the unary operator over here. So I'll just write x equals to plus 6. And when I run this program over here, print x, there's no change in it. So it will print out it will just print out 5. So this plus is the unary operator. So you'll ask what is the use and all of it. In Python we don't use them as such, but they're really useful in C or Java. So I'm just discussing it because it is a part of theory. So you must know it. So whenever at x equals to minus x, then obviously minus 5. And this thing is new over here. So x equals to component of x. So when I run this program, it will print out minus 6. So what it basically means is it is just valid for integers. So it basically means, I'll just comment it out. What does it mean? So it becomes x equals to the negative value of, in brackets, x plus 1. So the value of x is 5. So the new value of x will be 5 plus 1, that is 6, and the negative value of it, so minus 6. So that's it. And you can read the theory out to yourself if you want to read it. So these were the assignment and unary operators. I'll see you in the next video. That's all.